Okay, so pull off this cover on the top. Both of those vacuum tubes right here and the oil tube, pull them off so you have more room. The ones in the back right there, you do not have to worry about. To help you get these vacuum tubes off, I recommend using a pair of pliers and go let back and forth with it. It'll take off the suction so you're able to pull it off a lot easier without breaking anything. And you just tuck the tube to the side. Now for the connectors, push the connector up to the coil, use a long screwdriver to push down the clip, and then use another long screwdriver to push away from the coil. It'll help you prevent from breaking it, and it's a lot easier. Now pulling off the coils, all you got to do is twist it and pull it right up. This cowling right here on the top is great for storing your bolts and extra parts. All right, now while using a 14mm spark plug socket, loosen it and remove it. Pull it straight up. The reason why I use a spark plug socket is it helps prevent from breaking the porcelain when installing as well and removing. And also, you don't have to use a magnet pulling it up. Now removing the spark plugs, I use an electric ratchet to help me speed up the process. Now the spark plugs that I'm using the NGK Iridium spark plugs. I found them on Amazon for a fairly decent price. As for torquing down your spark plugs, I would just follow what's on the box. As for these NGKs, all you gotta do is just tighten it by hand as far as you can until it bottoms out. Turn it a 1/16 of a turn, and then turn it a half a turn. And it should be good as far as what it says on the NGK box. Now I like to use dielectric grease inside of my coil packs, boots. It'll help prevent from getting corrosion underneath there and also a better seal so no water or any kind of junk gets in there. Now putting in this last coil over here, you're going to have to use the long screwdriver to help you line it up. And the rest of them, all you got to do is just use your hand. And putting in that oil tube, you want to have that vacuum tube off to help you get those bolts on. And all the bolts for the coils and that tube are 10mm. And here is what it's supposed to look like all back together in its correct spot. So you could pause it if you need to. And installing this cover back on, all you got to do is just line up those pins back in the holes and just firmly press down and it just snaps right in.